English Indonesian past, to be, I was.
Saya dulu.
You were.
Kamu dulu.
Welcome to Synapse Lingo. Hey, great to have you here. Today, we time travel through Indonesian past, to be. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your smart path to languages. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for downloads, transcripts, and more lessons. Warm up your voice and get ready to say things like, I was, you were, and they were, in natural Indonesian. Your goal today. In minutes, you'll say who was what, where, and when, clearly and confidently. I was.
Saya dulu.
You were, singular.
Kamu dulu.
He was.
Dia adalah.
She was.
Dia adalah.
It was.
Itu adalah.
We were, exclusive.
Kami dulu.
You were, plural.
Kalian dulu.
They were.
Mereka adalah.
Tip. Use.
Dulu.
To signal a former state, use.
Adalah.
Before nouns, titles, e.g., teacher, winner. Mini scenes, big memory. Close your eyes and picture these quick scenes, repeat after me. Throwback selfie. I was shy.
Saya dulu.
Pemalu. Pointing at your friend in an old photo, you were class representative.
Kamu dulu.
Ketua Kelas. Biography caption, he was the coach.
Dia adalah.
Pelatih. Award night flashback, she was the winner.
Dia adalah.
Pemenang. Explaining a weird noise, it was the cat.
Itu adalah.
Cucking. Nostalgia as a group, we were neighbors.
Kami dulu.
Tetangga. Reunion praise, you were a great team.
Kalian dulu.
Tim Habat. Season summary, they were the champions.
Mereka adalah.
Jura. Dialogue. Reunion flashbacks. Listen, then shadow the Indonesian, your turn comes after the pause. A. Long time no see. Back then, we were in the science club, right? B. Yep.
Kami dulu.
Anik Sains, Dan.
Kamu dulu.
Jago Debat. A. Haha, true. And Raffi? He was the captain. B. Betul.
Dia adalah.
Captain Tim. A. Who won that final? B.
Mereka adalah.
Pemenangnya, tapi sorenya.
Itu adalah.
Hujan badai. A. Good times. You all were super helpful to new members. B. Aya.
Kalian dulu.
Panitia terbaik. Dan aku?
Saya dulu.
Suka telat, ups. A. Nah, you got better. She was our most patient mentor. B. Setuju.
Dia adalah.
Mentor paling sabar. Drill. Call and response. I say English, you shoot back the Indonesian. Big voice. I was a student. Answer.
Saya dulu.
Seorang siswa. You were, sing, my friend. Answer.
Kamu dulu.
Temanku. He was the leader. Answer.
Dia adalah.
Pemimpin. She was the winner. Answer.
Dia adalah.
Pemenang. It was a sunny day. Answer.
Itu adalah.
Hari yang Sarah. We were tired. Answer.
Kami dulu.
Lela. You were, plural, amazing. Answer.
Kalian dulu.
Luar biasa. They were our guests. Answer.
Mereka adalah.
Tamu kami. Culture tip. Keep it natural. Tiny grammar flashlight, no stress, just clarity. Indonesian doesn't mark past tense on a verb like English, was. You often add a time cue like
Dulu.
to mean formerly, used to, especially before adjectives are simple noun phrases, e.g.
Saya dulu.
Guru, use.
Adalah.
Before nouns are titles for clear identity statements, e.g.
Dia adalah.
Pelati. For groups, remember the sweet pair.
Kami dulu.
We, excluding the listener, versus
Kita dulu.
we, including the listener. To negate identity, use
Bukan.
:quote.
Mereka bukan.
Tamu kami. Quiz. Blink and answer. Answer out loud. I'll reveal it after the pause. Q1. It was my mistake. A.
Itu adalah.
Kesalahanku. Q2. They were the best team. A.
Mereka adalah.
Tim terbaik. Q3. We were neighbors. A.
Kami dulu.
Tetangga. Q4. You were, sing, often late. A.
Kamu dulu.
Sering terlambat. Q5. He was our teacher. A.
Dia adalah.
Guru kami. Q6. You were, plural, the winners. A.
Kalian dulu.
Pemenang. Q7. I was in Jakarta. A.
Saya dulu.
Di Jakarta. Challenge. Your past snapshot. Make it yours, personal lines stick best. Finish the sentence 3 ways. Back then, I was. Start with.
Saya dulu.
Send a voice note to a friend. For practice, you were so helpful. Use.
Kamu dulu.
Or.
Kalian dulu.
Write one memory line for a person and a thing. He, she, was.
Dia adalah.
It was.
Itu adalah.
Post it on your desk. We were. They were.
Kami dulu.
/.
Mereka adalah.
Thanks and next steps. You crushed it, nice work today. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms in short daily stories and revisit the drills to build speed. For more lessons, transcripts, and exercises, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Sampai jumpa, see you next time.